Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of affordable luxury, exploring unexpected places where you can indulge in a lavish lifestyle without breaking the bank. If you've ever dreamed of enjoying the finer things in life but thought they were out of reach, this video is for you. We'll uncover hidden gems and surprising locations that offer luxurious experiences at budget-friendly prices. From charming boutique hotels and lesser-known destinations to exquisite dining experiences that won't empty your wallet, we'll guide you through a variety of options that redefine what it means to live luxuriously on a budget. Get ready to discover how you can elevate your lifestyle without the hefty price tag. Whether you're planning a getaway or simply looking to treat yourself, we'll provide you with tips and insights that will inspire you to seek out these unexpected treasures. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this journey to find luxury in places you never thought to look. Bali is a true paradise for those seeking luxurious experiences without the hefty price tag. The island is home to a variety of affordable luxury resorts and villas that offer stunning views, private pools, and world-class amenities. Imagine waking up in a beautifully designed villa surrounded by lush greenery, all while staying within your budget. But Bali isn't just about the accommodations. It's also rich in unique cultural experiences that elevate your stay. From traditional Balinese dance performances to serene temple visits, immersing yourself in the local culture adds a touch of luxury to your trip. You can even participate in a cooking class to learn how to prepare authentic Balinese dishes, making your experience even more memorable. When it comes to dining, Bali boasts an array of local restaurants that serve gourmet meals at surprisingly affordable prices. Enjoy fresh seafood, vibrant vegetarian dishes, and mouth-watering desserts without worrying about your wallet. With its blend of luxury, culture, and culinary delights, Bali is the perfect destination for budget-conscious travelers looking to indulge in a lavish getaway. Tulum is a captivating destination that perfectly blends luxury with affordability, making it a must-visit for budget-savvy travelers. The town is dotted with boutique hotels that provide upscale amenities at surprisingly low rates. Picture yourself lounging in a chic cabana with ocean views, enjoying personalized service without the high price tag. One of Tulum's biggest draws is its stunning beaches where soft white sands meet crystal-clear waters. Many eco-friendly resorts offer unique experiences such as yoga classes on the beach or guided tours of the nearby cenotes, allowing you to connect with nature while indulging in a luxurious atmosphere. When it comes to dining, Tulum is a culinary haven. You can savor gourmet meals at local eateries that focus on fresh, organic ingredients without overspending. Look for lunch specials or set menus that provide excellent value while still delivering a fine dining experience. With its blend of boutique accommodations, breathtaking beaches, and delicious cuisine, Tulum is the perfect destination for those seeking luxury on a budget. Lisbon is a city that beautifully marries rich history with affordable luxury, making it an ideal destination for travelers seeking an upscale experience without the hefty price tag. The city boasts a range of luxury accommodations that are surprisingly affordable, from elegant boutique hotels in historic neighborhoods to stylish guest houses with stunning views of the Tagus River. As you wander through Lisbon's charming streets, you'll discover a vibrant culture and art scene that feels upscale yet accessible. The city is home to numerous galleries, street art, and historic landmarks, each telling a story of its rich past. Don't miss the chance to explore the iconic Alfama district, where you can soak in the atmosphere and enjoy live fado music in intimate settings. When it comes to dining, Lisbon shines with its local markets and eateries that offer gourmet food at reasonable prices. Sample delicious petiscos, the Portuguese version of tapas, or indulge in freshly caught seafood at a local taverna. With its blend of history, culture, and culinary delights, Lisbon is a treasure trove of affordable luxury waiting to be explored. Budapest is a city that exudes charm and offers a wealth of luxury experiences that won't break the bank. One of the highlights of this stunning destination is its famous thermal baths and spas, where you can indulge in a rejuvenating soak surrounded by beautiful architecture. Places like Széchenyi Baths and Gellert Baths provide a luxurious experience at low costs, allowing you to unwind in style without overspending. When it comes to dining, Budapest boasts a vibrant culinary scene with numerous affordable fine dining options. You can enjoy exquisite Hungarian cuisine at upscale restaurants that offer lunch specials or tasting menus, giving you a gourmet experience without the hefty price tag. For accommodations, Budapest has a variety of budget-friendly luxury hotels that offer stunning views of the Danube River and the iconic Parliament building. Many of these hotels feature elegant decor and top-notch amenities, ensuring a comfortable stay while keeping your budget intact. With its blend of thermal relaxation, culinary delights, and breathtaking scenery, Budapest is a hidden gem for those seeking affordable luxury. Marrakesh is a city that embodies opulence and exotic charm, making it a fantastic destination for travelers looking to indulge without overspending. One of the best ways to experience luxury in Marrakesh is by staying in a traditional riad. These beautifully restored guest houses offer stunning accommodations with intricate decor and serene courtyards, all at competitive prices that make them accessible to budget-conscious travelers. As you explore the vibrant souks of Marrakesh, you'll be immersed in a rich tapestry of colors, sounds, and scents. The bustling markets are filled with handcrafted goods, spices, and textiles, providing a unique shopping experience that feels luxurious. Don't miss the chance to savor local cuisine at street stalls and small eateries, where you can enjoy flavorful tagines and aromatic couscous without breaking the bank. For those seeking relaxation, Marrakesh is home to numerous spas that offer luxurious treatments at affordable rates. Look for local hammams and wellness centers that provide traditional Moroccan rituals, allowing you to unwind and rejuvenate without straining your budget. With its blend of culture, cuisine, and comfort, Marrakesh is a treasure trove of affordable luxury. Sofia is quickly emerging as an unexpected luxury destination that offers travelers a wealth of experiences without the hefty price tag. The city boasts a range of luxury hotels that are surprisingly affordable, providing elegant accommodations with modern amenities and stunning views of the surrounding mountains. Whether you choose a chic boutique hotel or a well-known chain, you'll find that Sofia offers excellent value for your money. Rich in history and culture, Sofia is home to numerous landmarks and museums that showcase its fascinating past. From the iconic Alexander Nevsky Cathedral to the ancient ruins of Serdica, you can immerse yourself in the city's heritage while enjoying a leisurely stroll through its charming streets. When it comes to dining, Sofia doesn't disappoint. The city is filled with local eateries and bistros that serve gourmet meals at low prices. You can indulge in traditional Bulgarian dishes or international cuisine without worrying about your budget. With its blend of affordable luxury, rich history, and delicious food, Sofia is a hidden gem waiting to be explored by savvy travelers. Hanoi is a vibrant city that offers a wealth of luxury experiences without the high costs typically associated with upscale travel. One of the best ways to enjoy this charm is by staying in boutique hotels that provide luxury amenities at budget prices. Many of these hotels feature beautifully designed rooms, personalized service, and prime locations, allowing you to experience the best of Hanoi without overspending. The culinary scene in Hanoi is another highlight, with unique dining experiences that feel upscale yet remain affordable. From street food stalls serving delicious pho to elegant restaurants offering gourmet Vietnamese cuisine, you can indulge in a variety of flavors without breaking the bank. Don't miss the chance to try a traditional cooking class where you can learn to prepare local dishes in a hands-on environment. For those looking to immerse themselves in the culture, Hanoi offers a range of cultural tours that provide a luxurious feel without the hefty price tag. Explore the city's rich history through guided tours of its temples, museums, and historic neighborhoods, ensuring a memorable experience that showcases the best of this enchanting destination. Cape Town is a breathtaking destination that offers a wealth of luxury experiences accessible on a budget. The city is home to a variety of affordable luxury lodges and guest houses that boast stunning views of Table Mountain and the coastline. These accommodations provide a perfect blend of comfort and elegance, allowing you to enjoy a lavish stay without straining your finances. The vibrant local markets in Cape Town are a must-visit, offering an array of artisanal goods, fresh produce, and unique crafts. You can indulge in upscale dining experiences at market stalls and local eateries, where you'll find gourmet meals that won't break the bank. Be sure to try traditional South African dishes and fresh seafood while soaking in the lively atmosphere. For those looking to explore the beauty of Cape Town, there are numerous luxury tours and activities available at reasonable prices. Consider joining group tours or seeking out local guides who offer personalized experiences without the high costs. Whether it's a wine tour in the nearby vineyards or a scenic hike, Cape Town provides endless opportunities for affordable luxury adventures. Medellin is a vibrant city that has transformed into a luxury destination offering experiences at budget-friendly prices. The city features a range of luxury accommodations that are surprisingly affordable, from stylish boutique hotels to upscale apartments with breathtaking views of the surrounding mountains. Staying in these accommodations allows you to enjoy modern amenities and exceptional service without overspending. The cultural richness of Medellin is another highlight, showcasing the city's remarkable transformation over the years. Visitors can explore the innovative Comuna 13, known for its stunning street art and community projects, which reflect the city's resilience and creativity. The blend of history and modernity creates an upscale atmosphere that captivates travelers. When it comes to dining, Medellin boasts a thriving culinary scene with local restaurants that offer gourmet meals at reasonable prices. You can savor traditional Colombian dishes or indulge in international cuisine, all while enjoying the warm hospitality of the locals. With its combination of affordable luxury accommodations, rich culture, and delicious dining options, Medellin is a hidden gem for those seeking an upscale experience on a budget. In this video, we've explored some surprising destinations where you can find luxury experiences without breaking the bank. From the stunning beaches of Bali to the vibrant streets of Medellin, each location offers unique accommodations, rich cultural experiences, and delicious dining options that redefine what it means to travel luxuriously on a budget. Key takeaways to remember include the importance of seeking out boutique hotels and local eateries that provide upscale experiences at affordable prices. Whether you're indulging in a gourmet meal in Sofia or relaxing in a luxurious spa in Marrakesh, there are countless ways to enjoy the finer things in life without overspending. If you found this information helpful and inspiring, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on affordable luxury travel. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who are also looking to explore the world without breaking the bank. Your support helps us create more engaging content that empowers travelers to discover hidden gems around the globe. Thank you for watching and happy travels.